How to unblock someone on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and say, for example, that I have blocked this person, but now I want to unblock it. So what you can do is open up the chat just like I did, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. It will give you a pop-up window that has a lot of options, from which you can click on the option that says unblock and wait for it. And there you have it. You just unblocked this person. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock people on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, as usual, I will see you in the next video.